Came out to trim this very old magnolia tree today, and I ended up giving it a pretty big haircut. Now I gotta go get the truck. Well, the old girl's seen better days. So what I had to do is put a 5-gallon fuel cell in here. All right, we gotta prime the fuel cell. Those lights are fine. Bought this trailer as just a frame, and I built all this on it, all rough sawn pine I had laying above the garage. I'll put this crank on it. Thank you, Amazon, 35 bucks. Of course, because this is for a boat, I had to drill a hole in the plate behind here. You can't see it because it only goes so far. Really just trying to save the tree. It was planted about 40 years ago. It looks pretty rough, but I gotta stay on top of trimming it.